Hey, g'day guys. So it's been about a week since we made these little air freshener things, the fishing person's ones. I just want to do a quick follow-up because I've pretty much just left them out here in my, I don't know what you'd call this, veranda for about a week and kind of forgot about them. And I came out today and oh my God, the smell is just crazy. Like, lucky I like aniseed smell because these are just going off their nut, even through the mask. The cork ones, even though they were a really good idea to use that cork board that we found, they didn't really hold the scent. You can still smell a little bit on them, but they lost a lot of it. Whether they soaked it up or whatever, I'm not sure. But this cardboard one that we did afterwards, it's crazy. It's almost like it's improved with age. So I'm really confident that these ones, it's just out of, what was it? It was 500 GSM recycled card. We normally use it as a packing material. So, but yeah, I'm really confident that these ones are just going to last like a good month easy. So what we might do is we might actually have a bit more of a play with this stuff. Make some out. I'm not sure what other scents to do. I don't really want to go down the path of pine and all the standard ones. So if you guys have any ideas, let us know down there in the comments. Nope, nearly gave you the wrong finger. Let us know down there what scents you think would suit a fisher person's car, and we'll do everything we can to give it a crack. Cheers.